One of the gate I built, guys, for my sister. Vale, that is a homestead. See now, when I came, there was no gate. People together with livestock were just entering. So now, security is very important because whenever you want to get in, you have to knock or ask for permission. Now I'm getting onto my guru's homestead. It's another gate I built, guys. I built it. Now they don't close also the gate, guys. I will tell them when I get there. You'll be there, you'll be watching. So I'm just trying to make sure that the gate is also closed, because we fix a gate or make a gate so that it is always but the material they used here, no problem. When it is closed like this, guys, it's for security reasons. And again, it gives a nice structure to the building. You can see it from far now. Yeah, we use the Musasa tree. I don't know what you call it. Or is the exotic tree. Now we are getting onto my guru's homestead, guys. They haven't started the winter plow now. I don't know what's holding them. Plus, another thing I like about places here, can you see there's a lot of bush here, the trees. And I'm very happy because they keep trees. Trees, they give us oxygen. Because we give them carbon dioxide, which you breathe out. And at the end of the time, they give us oxygen to live. Yes. Yes, Gules. I'm not fine, Gules. Why is the gate not closed, Gules? What did I say, Gules? Or what is the good thing to do?
But as far as you know,
it must always be closed, is it?
Always time. It will be closed.
Yeah, me, whenever I come, sometimes, most of the time, it will be closed.
Yes, sure.
Even my sister's gate is not closed. It was not closed for Alice also. It's just the uniform when we are doing it uniform. Yes, yeah, now. Yeah. You are washing now.
I'm washing.
Hey. So who fetched all this water for you? Because where you get it is a bit far.
I found somebody.
Really?
Yes.
Praise God, so praise God.
I paid him.
My babo.
Yes.
So it means you have got money.
No, I don't have money,
but there is no option. Even me, you should have talked to me, but you see, I was busy, Gules. Kuti kukuvhaira ndokuti uri munhu ka. Angazi anovhaira inini nemi ndiani, Gules? Gules musade kudaro. Haiwa kana kopa chedu ka. Ko ndiri munhu wenyama ka. Saka mukuita sei? Mukumboona wakawashina.
Yesterday she was very, very dead.
She was very dead.
She was very dead. The time she came stay.
She was dead. She likes playing with mud. You see, they are children. This is what children do.
Next time she won't come.
Why? What were we doing yesterday? Nothing. We did not do anything. But we were in the bush looking for Mashanji.
Looking for Mashanji? So you just leave him?
Just like that.
Playing with the sand.
It was not only. There were so many children. That is how life is. Even if you were children, that is what you used to do. Because you are now grown up.
The
time for Mahumbwe, you know that time.
I didn't play Mahumbwe.
Ah.
even my kids.
Why?
I don't know. I don't know.
That's the way how you were born and bred, just like that.
I don't want dust.
You don't want dust?
Yes, so
Are you asthmatic?
Not asthmatic, is that?
But you just hate dirtiness. You don't want dirtiness.
Yes.
Yeah, I can see, because every time when I come here, I see you wash your clothes every time. A week, how many times do you wash a week? Or else you change every day, twice a day?
I change every day, not twice. Once.
But you wash twice or thrice a week.
Huh?
You wash 3 or 4 times a week.
Yes.
Hmm.
Yes.
That's very nice. That's very nice. That's that genie.
That's it.
It's called Mavaru Varu.
You call it my husband.
Yeah. It's for you.
No. It's too small.
It's too small for such a big body like this one. Guys.
And I want to take up my bag.
Hey.
Oh, I'm a big person.
Yeah, I know.
So I want to take up my bag.
People are about to plow, plant, and do whatever on their fields. What's your plan? Because I didn't see you doing winter plowing, or what do they call it? Winter plow.
Oh,
Zero tillage. Yeah.
Pressure. All pressure.
Plus nenhamo dzakadzoka dzotedzana.
Yaramba dzangoti one after another. So, time yacho. I'm tired.
Yeah. Yeah, but I'm gonna get an eraser.
Today,
I'm gonna get an eraser.
I don't know.
Enga zvakaoma.
Huh?
Toda kugerwa manje.
I said go kule babo. Do you see him?
No. Do you have his number?
No, I don't have.
I will go with Tete Valley.
Yes. And just to tell him.
Oh, there's no problem with that.
Yes, I will give him his man.
Yeah, big. Guys, help me to thank my guru. Pandarunga nenyuchipepe una zvakaita musoro wangu. Uda kugerwa. Yeah, coolest thing.
Okay.